appreciate the professionalism of your service.
Everything terrific, came on time, finished the job.
We'll come out,
Everything
give you a
was
free
fantastic.
estimate, and make you another happy customer.
And you were here on time, and you worked very diligently the whole day, and I really appreciate it.
You're very happy, very clean, very fast, efficient.
Marvelous job. Clean, efficient.
Nice to find you. This was a great job. Loved every minute of it. You were professional and great.
Job. I'd recommend them to anyone.
Excellent. Thank you, Teddy. Appreciate it.
And did a great job, and their prices, I don't think you can beat them around town.
They were fantastic, did the work quickly, did the work well.
Hey, the work was quick and it was clean. Good job.
Any little thing, and everything turns out great. Wonderful plumbing service.
Thank you, Marty. Thanks.
Give us a call.